How to change clip duration in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your clips are placed on the timeline. Select a clip whose duration you want to change by clicking on it once. You will see the clip highlighted. Next, to change the duration precisely, right-click on the clip and select Change Clip Speed from the menu. This opens a window where you can adjust the clip speed and duration. Here, you can enter the exact duration you want the clip to have by typing the new time in the duration box. You can also change the speed to adjust the clip duration. If you prefer a quicker method, you can trim the clip manually by dragging its edges on the timeline. Just hover your mouse over the beginning or end of the clip until you see the trim cursor, then click and drag left or right to shorten or extend the clip duration. Finally, after changing the duration, play your timeline to check if the clip fits well with the rest of your video and adjust again if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to change clip duration in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.